Karnataka, a very ironic turn of events there. Karnataka's Home Minister G. Parmeshwara has an FIR that's been slapped against him. An FIR registered against him by his own Karnataka police because he was caught betting and the amount, 500 rupees bet. This is G. Parmeshwara. The irony runs so deep. He is a Home Minister. Ironic, isn't it? A Home Minister meant to enforce the law now faces an FIR registered by his own police. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara is in legal trouble after Bengaluru court ordered an FIR against him. The 42nd Additional Chief Judicial Magistrates Court has asked the police to investigate his public admission of placing a 500 rupee bet during a kabaddi match. So here's what triggered it. The incident goes back to October 2025, a state-level pre-university kabaddi tournament in Tumkuru. Parmeshwara, by his own admission, in fact, he said it in public, he said he made a friendly wager that I bet 500 rupees to ensure Tumkuru would win, hoping that Tumkuru would win. He made that backing the Vijaypura team. But the bet did not really land because the Dakshina Kannada team instead won the match, 36-26. During the prize distribution, Home Minister Parmeshwara of Karnataka openly spoke about this bet, and that moment is now the center of the controversy. A private complaint was filed by HR Nagabhushan arguing that betting, even informal, is illegal in India. And when a sitting Home Minister admits to betting publicly, even if it's 500 rupees, it raises a lot of questions. So now the court has taken cognizance. It has directed the police to register an FIR and carry out a detailed probe. And that's where it gets a lot more uncomfortable because the very police who's investigating this case report to the Home Minister, the Home Department, that is headed by Parmeshwara himself. The minister, for his part, is brushing this off. He calls this a light-hearted exchange at a sporting event. He says that the issue is being blown out of proportion, but once a court steps in, this becomes a legal issue. Remember, betting in India is illegal, so we got to see what action will proceed.
ನೋಡಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಲೋಕಾಭಿರಾಮವಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಟ ನಡೀತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಲೋಕಾಭಿರಾಮವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಕಾನೂನು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥವನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಶುದ್ಧ ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಅರ್ಥೈಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.